All right, so this is a typical ACT problem. It's really just math and geometry. So let's read it out loud. It says, a restaurant occupying the top floor of a skyscraper rotates as diners enjoy the view. Ling and Sarah notice that they begin their meal at 7 p.m. looking due north. So let's just kind of draw a picture. So we have a restaurant right here at 7 p.m. is where they are. And then it says at 7:45 they've rotated 180 degrees. So this is a restaurant that's on the top floor of a skyscraper. So it rotates around and now it's facing due south. So if this is north and then this is south and then this is east and then this is west. Now the time here is 7:45 p.m. So it took 45 minutes to go 180 degrees. At this rate, how many degrees will it be in 1 hour? Okay. How many degrees will it be in 1 hour? Now there's lots of ways that you could do this. Probably the easiest way would be if you could figure out the unit rate. In other words, how many degrees does it travel in 1 minute? You could break it up into 15-minute intervals, right? How would you guys like to try it? What did some of you guys try to do? Yeah.
I did the 15-minute one because in 45 minutes it went 180 degrees. So then 180 divided by 3 was 60.
60.
And times that, that's 60.
That's a great idea. What he said was, look, it took 45 minutes to go 180 degrees. And to get 1 hour, he realized he just needed 15 more minutes. So what he did is he said, well, let's figure out let's figure out exactly how many degrees the building rotates or the restaurant rotates in 15 minutes, because he just needed another 15 minutes. So if you divide the top by 3 and you divide the bottom by 3, you figure out that you get 60 degrees in 15 minutes. So then what he did is he took his 180 plus another 60 degrees, because remember that 1 hour is just 60 minutes, right? And he added those up, and when he added them up, he got 240 degrees. Another way that you could have done this was a proportion. You could have said 180 degrees in 45 minutes is equal to, not degrees, minutes. 45 minutes, and then we could have put 60 minutes down here on the bottom. Do we know how many degrees? No. So you put an X there. And then because it is a proportion, you can solve it by cross multiplying. So you get 180 degrees times 60 degrees, right? And that would be equal to 45 minutes times X. So you've got this in degrees divided by 45 minutes, because that's what you would do next. Divide both sides by 45 minutes. And if I pull up my calculator and I say 180 times 60, I get a really big number, but now if I divide that by 45, I get 240. Either way would work, right? Like there's no, if the answer is 240. I'm not particularly, I prefer the first way kind of because it gives you more practice. But some people like to do the proportion, so it doesn't matter. You get the same answer either way, 240 minutes. And technically, we could have left the minutes with the X, right? We didn't need to do, we could say X minutes. 240 in X minutes, or however you want to do it. Okay? Any questions on that particular one? No?